Pivot tables made easy. Think pivot tables are complicated? What if I told you it takes less than 2 minutes to go from messy data to instant insights? First, select your dataset and convert it into a table using Ctrl+T. Next, rename your table. This small step will be super important later on. Now insert a pivot table and place it in a new worksheet. Drag and drop fields to build your pivot. Just like that, your data is summarized by region, product, sale. Remember we said naming your table was super important. Here is why. Naming your table lets you seamlessly update your pivot table with just a refresh. Example, let's update the original data with new information and see how Excel will automatically update our pivot table. Example, let's go back to our source data and add a new row. Now let's go back to your pivot table tab to refresh our data and see how seamless the change is. To do that, click on your pivot table, go to Pivot Table Analyzer and click Refresh. Updates instantly. Since we named the source table, Excel automatically includes the new info. No need to adjust the range, just seamless update. Structure smart to analyze faster. Simplex. Simplify work. Amplify impact. Save this for your next report and follow for more time. Saving hacks.